Hi, my name's Amy from Stafford Land Rover, and today I'll be taking you around this approved used vehicle.
Here we have a gorgeous Land Rover Range Rover Velar dynamic HSE. This vehicle comes with a 240 diesel engine alongside an 8-speed automatic transmission. This particular model comes in Indus silver. This model boasts some fantastic features such as its 22-inch 9-split spoke alloys in satin light silver with contrast diamond tone finish. Its matrix LED headlights with signature daytime running lights, ensuring you always have the best view of the road ahead of you. The wing mirrors hold heating functions and have blind spot assist, and they are power folded for when you unlock and lock your vehicle. This feature is also seen on your door handles. And even privacy glass to finish off its sleek exterior. At the rear of the vehicle now, here you can see you have an electronically powered tailgate with more than enough storage capacity for all your personal items, 2 large suitcases, a pushchair or even a set of golf clubs. You do, however, have the option to fold your rear seats to offer even further room. Moving into the back of your vehicle now, at the centre here you'll see your rear air vents with access to a 12 volts and a storage compartment. You have Meridian surround sound system to give you the highest quality listening experience, and here are your beautifully designed lighter oyster leather seats. Also featuring ISOFIX points with your central seat acting as a central armrest with fixed twin cup holders. Now moving into the front of the vehicle, you have your ebony and light oyster leather steering wheel with multiple functions. You have your 2 main displays, again that same Meridian surround sound. Panning towards the beautifully designed 20-way heated and cooled memory massage front seats that are fully electrically adjustable for maximum comfort. Here you have a generously sized sliding panoramic roof, idyllic for those sunnier days to give your vehicle a more open feel. On your driver's side door you have your memory seat function along with your electrically powered wing mirrors and windows. Moving to your steering wheel, here you can see there are multiple features such as your phone book, voice recognition system, lane assist, limit your speed with cruise control, or even additionally a heated steering wheel perfect for the winter months. You can adjust the settings on the display above as well, such as vehicle settings, trip, media, driver's assist, and much more, with multiple features inside. This vehicle has done 6,743 miles, subject to change due to test drives. At the centre of your vehicle you'll find both of your digital touch display screens, your automatic gear knob with a single fixed cup holder beside, and twin fixed cup holders beyond. A central armrest for maximum comfort, which reveals a larger storage compartment below with access to 12 volts. On the first of your display screens, you have all the latest infotainment features. Here you can see your sat-nav navigation. Further in your screen you can find features such as your 360-degree camera, making parking and manoeuvring much easier and safer to do. You also have valet mode, ensuring all your personal details are kept safe. Your electronically deployable tow bar, making this vehicle perfect for towing trailers, boats, or even jet skis. Maybe you'd like to access Bluetooth to pair your device to make and take those hands-free calls, or just find your favourite radio station for your perfect journey. On your larger display screen, here you can see you have terrain response with multiple features making this vehicle perfect for any driving conditions you may encounter. You can also access things such as your seats. Here you can find they are both heated and cooled for driver and passenger and fully adjustable to suit your needs. You can also find and adjust lumbar support, once again for both driver and passenger. Here you see you have your climate control, where you can individually change the temperature within the cabin, or maybe sync this as a pair to suit your preference. You can change the direction of airflow, along with the air setting on the fan, giving you access to your perfect cabin every time.
This vehicle comes with a minimum of 1 year warranty along with roadside assistance. Please call us on 01785 899 446 or inquire online.